ICI's TCAM 300 is a handheld thermal imaging solution for evaluating system performance and troubleshooting a wide range of issues across a facility. The TCAM 300 locates faulty fuses, circuit breakers, and other electrical issues so personnel can respond to problems quickly. Identify failing mechanical parts such as motors, bearings, belts, and more to enhance predictive maintenance. Inspect the performance of air conditioning vents and units to determine the source of HVAC airflow and equipment issues. Find air leaks caused by failing windows, leaky doorways, and loose ductwork. Locate areas of moisture intrusion and hidden water leaks in order to make informed decisions on repairs. With leading pixel resolution, accuracy, and sensitivity, the TCAM 300 helps organizations drive predictive maintenance and reduce costly repairs. The 2.8-inch LCD screen allows the user to quickly adjust settings, perform on-site analysis, and review captured images. A 2-meter drop rating protects your device from accidental falls and the demands of industrial work environments. The camera also comes with a 2-year warranty as well as virtual and on-site support. For more information, please contact your designated ICI sales representative or visit us at www.infraredcameras.com.